Gutters might seem like a small and inconspicuous part of your home's exterior, but they play a crucial role in protecting your property from costly water damage. In Sterling Heights, where heavy rains and seasonal storms are common, gutters are essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. Let's explore how gutters in Sterling Heights can shield your home from water damage and why it's important to keep them in good condition. The importance of properly installed gutters. Gutters are designed to direct rainwater away from your home's roof and foundation. When properly installed, they collect rainwater that falls on the roof and channel it through downspouts to the ground, away from your home's foundation. Without gutters, or with clogged and damaged gutters, rainwater can easily spill over the edges, causing significant damage to various parts of your home. Protecting the foundation. One of the most important functions of gutters is to prevent water from pooling around your foundation. In Sterling Heights, where homes are often built on clay or sandy soils, the risk of water damage to foundations can be severe. When rainwater collects near your foundation, it can seep into the soil, causing erosion or increasing the pressure on your foundation walls. Over time, this pressure can result in cracks, leaks, and even structural damage. Gutters direct rainwater away from the base of your home, allowing the water to flow safely into drainage systems or away from the foundation. This helps to keep the soil around your home stable, reducing the risk of foundation issues and the expensive repairs that often follow. Preventing basement flooding. Water that collects around the foundation isn't just a risk to your home's structure, it can also lead to basement flooding. In Sterling Heights, where heavy spring and summer rains are common, it's crucial to ensure that your gutters are working properly. When gutters become clogged with leaves, twigs, or other debris, they can't efficiently channel water away from the house. This can lead to water spilling over the sides and pooling around your basement's foundation, increasing the likelihood of water seeping into the basement. Water infiltration in the basement can lead to a range of problems, including mold growth, mildew, and damage to personal belongings. By maintaining clean, functional gutters, you reduce the chances of basement flooding, ensuring that your home's lower levels stay dry and protected. Avoiding roof damage. A common but often overlooked consequence of faulty gutters is roof damage. When gutters become clogged, water can back up and pool on the roof. Over time, this standing water can cause the roofing materials to deteriorate, leading to leaks and water damage inside the home. Regular gutter maintenance is essential for keeping your roof in good condition, especially after storms that may cause debris to accumulate. Furthermore, the weight of clogged gutters can pull them away from the fascia boards, which can lead to misalignment or even complete detachment. This not only affects the flow of water but can also damage your home's exterior, leading to more expensive repairs. Preventing landscaping erosion. Another benefit of gutters is their ability to protect your landscaping. Without gutters, rainwater can cascade off the roof, eroding the soil around your home. This can wash away flowers, shrubs, and trees, leaving your landscaping looking bare and uneven. The force of water can also cause trenches around the perimeter of your home, which can compromise both your landscaping and your home's foundation. Gutters help preserve the integrity of your lawn and garden by gently guiding water away from the house. When rainwater is directed away from flower beds, lawns, and trees, your landscaping will thrive, helping to keep your property looking beautiful year-round. Protecting siding and exterior walls. In addition to safeguarding your foundation, gutters also protect your home's siding and exterior walls. When water spills over the edges of the gutters, it can damage siding materials, causing discoloration, warping, and even mold growth. This type of damage not only affects the aesthetic appeal of your home but can also reduce its value. By ensuring that your gutters are clear and functioning properly, you can prevent water from splashing onto your home's siding. This simple maintenance step can go a long way in preserving your home's appearance and preventing costly repairs down the road. Conclusion: gutters are more than just a decorative feature of your home. They are a vital component in preventing water damage. In Sterling Heights, where weather conditions can lead to significant rainfall, properly maintained gutters help protect your home's foundation, roof, basement, and landscaping. Regular gutter cleaning and inspection are simple steps that can save you from expensive repairs and keep your home safe from the damaging effects of water. Don't overlook the importance of gutters. Keep them clear, functional, and in top condition to ensure your home remains safe and protected.